Today, we are designing a new drive shaft shield. Welcome back to Always Care Design, and today we are working in CAD, but this time on the pulling tractor. So last year, if you guys are all paying attention, I blew up the drive shaft, and that was all fine. The covers worked. They kept everything inside. I mean, they definitely twisted and broke and all that stuff, but the drive shaft itself, stayed where it was supposed to be. And there wasn't any shrapnel that went out anywhere. It just stayed all in. That said, the rule in most tractor pulling clubs is not to have it fully enclosed the way we had it. It is to actually have the drive shaft inside another tube. So that's what we're doing. We've already sent some parts out. Let's turn some things on here. So we went out and got this. So instead of getting a tube and cutting it, which would take a very long time with a zip cut and probably not be cut very straight, or putting it through a bandsaw or something of the sort, we have gotten, or will be getting, a piece of quarter, because that is the rule, inch plate bent, like this. Now it's not going to be perfectly flat here, but it's going to be very close. And then we're going to have two of them, of course, and they're going to, one's going to be on the top, one's going to be on the bottom. Now, to attach some of these, you need a bar. This will be welded down the side. I'm not decided yet whether it's going to be solid like that or if it is going to kind of be like tabs. But I'm going to start with that. And it's going to be flanged. Then there's a rule on the distance between holes. I believe it's 6 inches. I'll have to check. I'll pull up the rules and put them here from one of the local clubs. And then it's 3/8 grade 5 bolts, and you have to put them through. And this will be on both sides. So quickly, I'm going to mirror all of this to make this proper. And then that is what we'll be putting in. And there we are. So turn off some of these planes for you. And that is what we'll be making to go around the drive shaft inside the tractor. This will be super safe. Obviously, we don't think this new drive shaft that we got last year is going to blow up anytime soon. It's way stronger. All the U-joints are stronger. It's way better. But this is the rule, and that's what we're going to follow. So this will be coming soon. Hopefully we'll get the parts in and just getting materials. We also got a new welder, which is exciting. So get to play around with that quite a bit, as this is all going to be aluminum. So keeping things as light as possible, but following the rules. So very excited for this, and that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you to Always Creative Design for sponsoring today's video.